ESB API Manager streamlines API integration by providing a robust set of features and capabilities that simplify the process of connecting and managing APIs. Here are some key points to highlight when discussing how ESB API Manager streamlines API integration. 1. Centralized Integration Hub. ESB API Manager acts as a centralized integration hub, allowing organizations to connect and manage APIs from various systems, applications, and services. It provides a single point of control and visibility for all integrations, eliminating the need for managing multiple integration points individually. 2. Protocol and format support. ESB API Manager supports a wide range of protocols and data formats, enabling seamless integration with diverse systems and technologies. It can handle RESTful APIs, SOAP web services, messaging systems, example, JMS, file-based integrations, and more. This flexibility simplifies the integration of APIs with different back-end systems and ensures compatibility across various technologies. 3. Transformation and mediation. ESB API Manager offers powerful transformation and mediation capabilities to facilitate data mapping, message routing, and protocol conversion. It can transform data between different formats, XML, JSON, etc., and perform message enrichment, filtering, and validation. This simplifies the mapping of data structures and ensures smooth communication between APIs and back-end systems. 4. Orchestration and workflow management. ESB API Manager allows organizations to orchestrate complex integration workflows by defining and managing sequences of API invocations, back-end system interactions, and business logic. It simplifies the coordination of multiple systems and services, reducing the complexity of integrating disparate components. 5. Adapters and connectors. ESB API Manager provides pre-built adapters and connectors to connect with popular systems, databases, and enterprise applications. These adapters simplify the integration process by abstracting the complexity of connecting to specific systems, allowing developers to focus on API logic and business requirements rather than low-level connectivity details. 6. Monitoring and alerts. ESB API Manager offers comprehensive monitoring and alerting capabilities to track the performance and health of integrated APIs. It provides real-time insights into API usage, response times, errors, and system metrics. This simplifies the identification of bottlenecks, performance issues, and potential failures, enabling proactive management and troubleshooting. 7. Error handling and retry mechanisms. ESB API Manager includes robust error handling and retry mechanisms to handle transient failures and ensure the reliability of API integrations. It can automatically retry failed requests, implement circuit breakers, and apply fault tolerance patterns. This simplifies the handling of errors and enhances the resilience of API integrations. 8. Security and access control. ESB API Manager integrates security mechanisms to protect API integrations. It supports authentication, authorization, and encryption to ensure secure communication between APIs and back-end systems. This simplifies the implementation of security measures and ensures that integrations comply with security policies and regulatory requirements. 9. Scalability and high availability. ESB API Manager provides scalability and high availability features to handle increasing integration loads and ensure uninterrupted service. It supports horizontal scaling, load balancing, and clustering for fault tolerance. This simplifies the scaling process and minimizes downtime during peak loads.